In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your very own at-home gel nails. I'm using the Gellin Soak Off nail polish, and everything I use is going to be linked down below in the comments if you choose to purchase this. I'm going to also be using the Gellin Gel Coat Top Coat and Base Coat, the pH Bond, and the shades I'm going to be using a glitter shade on one nail, and then this shade on, I don't know if you can see that, this shade on my other nails. I'm also going to be using the Gellin UV LED light to cure my nails with, and you're also going to need at least 91% isopropyl alcohol. Don't use a 70% or anything, because the other 30% is water, and that's what you don't want to do, because you want to kind of dehydrate your nails so that you don't get a lot of lifting. The pH bond will also help with that, but make sure that you're using at least 91% alcohol. Don't go getting the 70%. You're going to have a bad result with that. Your nails are going to lift. And of course, some cotton pads to go ahead and dehydrate the nails. So the first thing you need to do though is prep your nails completely by removing any nail polish that you had on before, giving yourself a very good manicure with pushing back your cuticles, filing your nails in the shape that you enjoy, as well as fixing any broken nails, which I just did in another video. I'm going to go ahead and link up here how I had to fix some of my nails. And make sure you get all the way back here where you took care of your cuticles. Isopropyl alcohol is a drying agent, if you didn't already know that, so that's why we are taking the time to do this. You don't want any oils or lotions or anything like that on your nails prior to doing this. And my hands are incredibly dry. I have psoriasis, so that's why you see my hands being incredibly cracked. I don't normally have trouble with lifting, but the last time I went to the salon to get my nails done, I did. I don't know if it was the salon I went to or what the deal was, but I definitely don't want that to happen this time. I'm going to go ahead and this is the Gelish pH Bond. This is part of the nail prep, so we're going to go ahead and just paint a thin coat of this on. Don't get crazy with this, because this is to dehydrate your nails. And don't use this every time you try to do your nails, because you will end up with yellowed nails, cracking nails, the things that you really don't want. While you're watching me go ahead and put this on my nails, if you haven't already, can you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, how-tos, and I do take requests for videos. If there's something you've been wanting to learn how to do, I'd be happy to try that for you. If I don't know how to do it, I might go ahead and figure out how to do it. Let's go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks, I really appreciate that. This is a nail that I had to go ahead and repair, and I did an extensive nail repair in the video that I linked in the card with a tea bag. I've been trying to do my nails at home a little bit, since the prices have just, like everything else in the world right now, has just absolutely skyrocketed. I can't get out of my salon, at least where I live, for mani-pedi under $100, and then you have to tip. And plus you got to go out of the house. It takes a long time. I can't always get there when they're available to take me. You know the deal. So this helps save a lot of money. It's quicker. And once you learn to do this and get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. It's just trying to figure out the basics first, or having somebody who posted a video like I did to help you learn how to do it, because it's really not that difficult once you learn exactly what you need to do. Okay, so all of this is already on. Take a minute, make sure it's all dried. Step is to apply the base coat, and you don't want to overdo with how thick or thin you put this on. You want to do this very thin, and you want to cover the whole nail, but don't go crazy thinking more is better in this instance. It's not. And I'm going to do one hand at a time. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me do all 10 of my nails. And I did purchase my curing light over here on Amazon. I'm definitely going to link this down below. I'm going to put this in here I'm going for 60 seconds. It's probably overkill. Probably get away with 30 seconds, but I don't want anything lifting this time. Okay, so I went ahead and cured the base coat, and now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be using this shade here. And I did cure the base coat for a full 60 seconds, just to be on the safe side. Now this polish here, I will only cure it for 30 seconds, but I'll be doing more than one coat. There's so many of these gel polishes available on Amazon and on the internet anymore. It's amazing. I like that a lot. Looks nice so far. So now, oh, that was tight. We're gonna go with our top coat. Ooh, some stuff in there. Ugh. Top coat. Want to make sure you go over it thinly. Might be time for me to get a new top coat. That looks like it may be drying out a little. For 60 seconds. Thumb feels warm. Like it feels like it's burning the nail. I guess that means the light's working, huh? I think that means that your nail is too thin. I think I read that. I'm not quite sure. And there you go, this hand is done. Where's my file? I always like to give the edge a little file so it's not stuck to my skin there. And there you have it. There is my gel manicure at home using the Gel-N Soak Off Polish, the Gelish pH Bond top coat, base coat, and the UV LED light. I even have the Gelish file. If you'd like to go ahead and purchase any of these products, I will go ahead and link them down below in the comments. They're easily enough to get at home, and that way you can start doing your own manicure or pedicure at home and save yourself a lot of money and time. Thanks again for joining me in this video, and I can't wait to see you again in the next one. If you have any questions about what I did today, please leave it down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see your comment.